So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your monitor is flickering on the Windows system. Now there are two fixes. First of all, go to the settings, then go to display settings. You can either search for the display or just simply go to system, and here you'll see display. Right in the display you need to go to this option of advanced display right here, and here you'll see this option that says choose a refresh rate. And here try testing multiple refresh rates and check if the problem gets solved for you, if the flickering stops. And for me, the flickering does not happens at 144 hertz. In your case it might be different. And apart from that, what you can do, you can just simply right click on this PC, click on show more option, click on manage, and now here click on device manager, and here you'll see this option of display adapters, and make sure to update your display adapter for your graphics card. Just simply hit scan automatically for driver updates, and it will check if it is updated or not. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.